Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Katie Shindig, and I'm back with another Stitchfix unboxing. For those of you that don't know how Stitchfix works, basically you pay $20 however often you want a box, and a stylist picks out 5 items for you that range from purses, accessories, jewelry, scarves, shoes, pants, shirts, everything and anything you could ever want. And they send it to you, and you pay for what you keep, and you send back what you don't. And you get $20 off whatever you keep because of your styling fee. So, without further ado, let's unbox. And also, if you guys can see a difference in quality in my video, please let me know, because I am actually recording this right after my birthday, and for my birthday I got a brand new camera. So y'all are on a brand new camera, so I hope you can see a difference in quality. So comment down below and let me know if you can. And now let's unbox. I got my mailback bag to mail back whatever I don't want. And this is what the inside looks like. This is normally a pair of shoes in this bag, so we'll see if we got shoes. I didn't think this box was big enough for shoes, but I guess maybe it is. In here we got a letter from my stylist and my prices, which I will need to tell you the prices of everything. So, what should we start with? The clothes. Ooh, this looks cute. Can you see the sneak peek? It looks like there's some pink, some denim, some greens, some blues, and the shoes. Let's start with the shoes. I have never kept a pair of Stitch Fix shoes, as I've told y'all many times before. Never, never, never. But this time I might. Look, these are so cute. I swear I pinned these on my Pinterest board. I swear. I do have a Stitch Fix Pinterest board so that they can see what I pin on my Pinterest board, and I swear I pin these on my Pinterest board. I hope these fit so bad. They are so cute. These shoes are the Mia Castilla braided strap shoes, and they are $39. I hope these fit so bad. They are so cute. And who has enough pairs of sandals? Nobody. Guys, please ignore my ugly toenails. I need a pedicure. But these shoes are so cute and comfy. I will definitely be keeping them. Next, we have the clothes. So it's time for Christmas, guys. Oh, this looks interesting. Can y'all see the detail on the top of that? That looks interesting. Let's start there. It's like a green. It's like a cargo green, which I love, and then it's like strappy and braided, and this shirt feels so comfy and stretchy. Oh my gosh. This feels good. This feels like pajamas, but then it's got like this, ooh, I'm stylish feature. This is the Andrew Mark Performance Goslet neckline, and it is $38. This shirt feels really comfy. If this shirt's cute, I'll probably keep it just because it feels so comfy, and you can never go wrong with a basic t-shirt with like detailing on it just to make it look cooler. And I know y'all are thinking like, Katie, you already kept 2 shirts that are that exact color. Well, my sister stole them, and they're at my old house. So, I need someone to get those back for me. So after trying this shirt on, I'm actually surprised to say this, but I think I'll be sending it back. It is very comfy and cute, and I feel like it's something you can reach for and just wear with jeans and these cute sandals that I will definitely be keeping. However, I just don't feel like it's like extremely flattering on me. I don't feel like it's not flattering, but I don't feel like it's extremely flattering, and I feel like in order to pay close to $40 for a shirt, it should be extremely flattering. So I think I will be sending this shirt back. Sorry about the lighting changing in the middle of clips. I am using natural lighting for once. Next we have something that looks extremely vibrant. Oh, it's an off the shoulder top. Ooh, this is cute. It looks big though. Well, not when I do it like that. So it's this off the shoulder detailed top. Normally I wouldn't go for something this color, but I do feel like this shirt is really cute and would look really cute on me. So we'll see when I try it on. This is the Lavapella Castinia off the shoulder top, and it is $48. I do feel like that's a little bit expensive for a shirt, so I'll have to really love this shirt to keep it, but it is super cute, so I can't wait to try it on and see what I think. After trying this shirt on, I will definitely be keeping it. I feel like this shirt is so cute. Like, I'm actually really surprised because, like I said in the beginning, I don't normally wear colors like this. So I'm very surprised, but I just feel like I have on the perfect outfit right now. Like, my jeans, these new Stitchfix sandals, and then you put on this shirt and it's just, it's so cute. I just feel like I look really good in this shirt. I feel really cute in this shirt, and that's what it's all about. So I will definitely be keeping this shirt. Next, we have something blue and florally. Just looking at it like this looks very much like the romper I got in Stitch Fix probably in like November, September, and it was blue and florally and it had a low neck, but I can tell it's not the same because of this flower on the back and the neck doesn't cross over. But let's see what it is. Oh, it's a dress. We all know how dresses are my weakness. I don't know if it looks like it fit me though. So this is a very cute like navy florally dress with like this v-neck and just some roses. This is so cute and it's so soft, guys. Oh my gosh, it feels like pajamas. It's a Stitch Fix exclusive, so that means only Stitch Fix carries this dress. You can't get it anywhere else. But it looks a little bit big for me. So we'll see when I try it on how it fits. I do think it's very cute, but I think it's going to be too big. After trying on this dress, I will definitely be keeping it. I think it's so cute, it's flattering, it's nowhere near as big as I thought it was. And it's nice and loose, but it's not too long and it's not too short, which is just how I like my dresses. Kind of like a shift dress, I think it's called. I might be wrong. I don't know. Don't kill me. But I think it's called that. And I think it's just super cute and it's perfect for spring because it has the midi sleeves. And yeah, so I will be keeping this dress. This is the French Gray Brionna Brunch Knit Dress. And it is $48, which I do feel like is a little bit pricey. If it fits me good and I'll wear it like once a week, I'll keep it. If it doesn't fit me right, I'll probably be sending this dress back. And last but not least, we have a pair of jeans. Okay, so these are like light wash jeans in the middle and then they're like dark on the edges. I feel like that's a trend, like we're bringing the 90s jeans trend back, and I just feel like, I played that out when I was little. Like, I wore enough jeans that looked like this when I was little. I don't know if I'll go back to them. Like, I see these, like, people that I watch on TV or YouTube, I don't really watch TV, and they're wearing jeans that are like, that I wore in like 5th grade. And I'm not saying like it was the 90s when I was in 5th grade, but I'm saying like the early 2000s, like I wore jeans that were light wash and dark wash and had weird wash patterns, and I'm just like, I don't know if I'll ever wear jeans like that again because to me it just looks silly. We'll see when I try them on. I do think they look like they would fit very well, which is actually what it's all about with jeans for me. But we'll see what happens. These are the Pistola Sherry Distressed Denim Jeans, and they cost $88. So I don't think that's that bad for a pair of jeans that you really like. They're mid-rise. I love that. I like mid-rise and high-rise jeans. I do not like low-rise. I don't want to bend over and feel like my butt crack is hanging out of my pants. So I do like my rise and my jeans higher. I will be like that for the rest of my life, even when that goes out of style, because I don't think it's cute when you bend over and your panties hang out the back of your pants. So I'm excited to see what I think when I try these on. Like, just looking at them, I'm like, I wore these in 5th grade and I'm not gonna wear them again. But they look like they're gonna fit really well, so I'm interested to see if I change my mind when I try them on. So after trying on these jeans, I will definitely not be keeping them. I was right. I don't like them. I don't like the colors, and I don't like the way they fit. Actually, they look a lot like jeggings to me, and I don't like that. And to be honest, when I bent over, I heard this knee hole rip even more, and I don't want that in my jeans. Like, if my jeans have holes, I'm trying to keep the hole like that. Like, I don't want like a huge gaping hole in the knee, and especially not in something I paid $88 for. So I will be sending these jeans back. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below and let me know what you think of the items that I decided to keep and send back. And also, if you would like to try Stitch Fix for free, meaning without paying a styling fee, just use my referral link down below and you can do that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!